Good afternoon, students. This is Lovita. So we are into today's zoology class. So let us discuss today some concepts related to the human excretory system. Already we have discussed some concepts related to the chapter excretory products and their elimination. Today we will learn some more concepts related to the excretory products and their elimination. Today we are going to learn the regulation of kidneys function. Regulation of kidney function. So, the kidney's main job is to maintain osmoregulation. The kidney's main job is osmoregulation. This is the main job of the kidneys. Osmoregulation. Osmoregulation is nothing but maintenance of the solutes balance and also water balance in the body. Maintenance of solute and water balance in the body is called as osmoregulation. What is osmoregulation? Maintenance of solute and water balance in the body is called as osmoregulation. Maintenance of solute and water balance in the body is called as osmoregulation. Okay, so there are different hormones which are involved in osmoregulation by kidneys. So kidneys are going to assist in osmoregulation. Different hormones are involved in maintenance of osmoregulation in the body. So different hormones like we have ADH, angiotensin 2, aldosterone, atrial natriuretic peptide. So these are the hormones which are going to involve in the maintenance of osmoregulation through our kidney. What are they? ADH, angiotensin 2, aldosterone, atrial natriuretic peptide. Okay, so these are the hormones which are going to involve in maintenance of osmoregulation in our body. So let us learn in detail how they are going to assist in osmoregulation. We are going to learn in detail regarding each type of hormone in detail. So the first one we are going to learn about is ADH. ADH. So this ADH is actually anti-diuretic hormone. ADH is actually anti-diuretic hormone called in short form as ADH, and it is otherwise called as vasopressin. So let us learn how this hormone is going to help in maintenance of osmoregulation in our body. So, Sima, there are osmoreceptors. There are osmoreceptors present in the hypothalamus of the brain. Hypothalamus of the brain is going to contain osmoreceptors. There are osmoreceptors in the hypothalamus of the brain. Osmoreceptors means they are sensitive to the water concentration. So they are sensitive to the amount of water in the body. So whenever there is increased loss of fluid from the body, whenever there is increased loss of fluid is occurring from the body, increased amount of fluid is lost from the body through urine, then these osmoreceptors, they are going to become active. These osmoreceptors, they are going to become active, and these osmoreceptors, when they are becoming active, they are going to stimulate the hypothalamus. They are going to stimulate the hypothalamus of the brain to cause the production of vasopressin or anti-diuretic hormone, otherwise called as anti-diuretic hormone, from the neurohypophysis. Neurohypophysis. Let me make it clear, one thing here. Whenever there is loss of fluid in the body, then the osmoreceptors are going to become active. They are going to stimulate the hypothalamus of the brain to cause the release of vasopressin or anti-diuretic hormone through the neurohypophysis. Through the neurohypophysis. So the hypothalamus of the brain is going to produce the anti-diuretic hormone, but it is not going to secrete it. The hypothalamus is going to produce vasopressin, but it is not going to secrete it. This is going to be secreted through the neurohypophysis. It is going to be secreted through neurohypophysis. So the anti-diuretic hormone or vasopressin is going to cause increase in the reabsorption of water. It is going to cause increase the reabsorption of water from the distal convoluted tubule and the collecting ducts. It is going to cause increase in the reabsorption of water from the distal convoluted tubule and the collecting ducts. Whenever there is increase in the absorption of water, whenever there is increase in the reabsorption of water, the loss of water from the body is going to be reduced. The loss of water in the body is going to be reduced in that way. So here, water is reabsorbed from the distal convoluted tubule and collecting ducts. The loss of water from the body in the form of urine is going to be reduced. Okay. So similarly, when there is increased amount of fluid in the body, when the fluids in the body are increasing, fluids in our body are going to increase. Then what is going to happen? Osmoreceptors. Osmoreceptors, they are switched off. They are switched off. Whenever the fluids in our body are increasing, then the osmoreceptors of the hypothalamus, they are going to get switched off. When the hypothalamus osmoreceptors are switched off, then there is no production of ADH. No ADH production. There is no production of ADH. When there is no production of ADH, then there is no reabsorption of water. There is no reabsorption of water. Okay. When there is no reabsorption of water, then it is going to result in the production of a dilute urine. It is going to produce dilute urine when the osmoreceptors are switched off. Whereas compared to when the osmoreceptors are active because of a reabsorption of water from the distal convoluted tubule and collecting ducts, it is going to result in the production of concentrated urine. Okay, so here dilute urine is produced. That means here diuresis is occurring. That means increased amount of water are lost to urine. That is diuresis. Here we are coming to the antidiuretic hormone. When it is produced from the hypothalamus, it is going to cause the production of concentrated urine. That means here it is preventing diuresis. That is why it is called as antidiuretic hormone. Okay. Once again, repeating the same concept, antidiuretic hormone is otherwise called as ADH or vasopressin. It is going to the osmoreceptors which are present in the hypothalamus of the brain. Osmoreceptors which are present in the hypothalamus of the brain are highly sensitive to the amount of fluid in the body. Whenever there is increased loss of fluid from the body, then the osmoreceptors are going to become active. Osmoreceptors are going to become active, and as a result of which the hypothalamus is going to produce vasopressin, which is released through the neurohypophysis. Then this vasopressin is going to cause increase in the reabsorption of water from the distal convoluted tubule and collecting duct, as a result of which concentrated urine is produced. That means diuresis is prevented. That is why this hormone is otherwise called antidiuretic hormone. Okay. The other condition where the fluid volume is increasing in the body, then the osmoreceptors are going to be switched off. When the osmoreceptors are switched off, then there is no production of ADH. When there is no production of ADH, no reabsorption of water, as a result of which dilute urine is going to be produced. So this condition is called as diuresis. This condition is called diuresis. Let us learn what is going to happen if ADH is not produced or if the receptors of ADH are not working properly. So, if ADH is not produced in proper amount, if ADH is not produced in proper amount, or if the receptors for ADH are not working properly, ADH is not produced in required amount, or if the receptors for ADH are not working properly,